Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to make your own floral for your tablescapes for under 50 bucks. Okay, so yes, floral is so expensive these days, and if you are like me, you are really wanting to save where you can when it comes to decor for your events. So a lot of times for my own events that I might throw or host, I do my own floral arrangements just because I like to stay on a budget and put money towards other things. To really make my events pop. So for this particular setup, we have our base, which I ordered from Amazon, and I will link the package that you can get. It comes in like 2 or 4. And so this is going to be your base that you're going to use. Do not put water on this. Now, as you can see, I already have holes in it because I've already created floral arrangements with this. But when you get yours, it'll have no holes and it'll come caged. And this is just going to be our base for us to get started. Now, a lot of times when I do order my floral, I get floral from Temu, Michaels, and even Hobby Lobby. So this particular floral arrangement is from Hobby Lobby. They do have a 40% off floral sale. Well, let me rephrase that. While I'm filming this video, it's 40% off. So whenever this is dropped on YouTube, I'm not sure if that sale will still be going on, but for now, 40% off. And this bundle was only $11.99, so it came out to like $7.19 when I got it, which is a pretty good deal for faux floral, and it looks authentic. And that's another place you can save. So if you get faux floral, that's a great way to save money as opposed to getting real floral. Okay, my dog is about to come in here. Well, hello, Princeton. Hello. That's a way you can save, okay? So for now, what I like to do is I like to just kind of cut my floral. Now I have to excuse him. Go! I like to cut my floral just enough so that it can have length when I'm putting it on my floral cage, the flower cage. So I'm just going to start with this pink one here. And then next steps, guys, are really just arranging the floral how you want it. And at the end, it's going to look so beautiful. So let's just go ahead and arrange this how we want. I have other floral that's not in this video clip. I've got some baby's breath, some other greenery, eucalyptus, and some white floral that we're just going to put all around this flower cage. So I really like to kind of arrange my floral by starting with a center flower and then working on the outside of that. It just helps me really space the colors. And again, all of these floral sentiment pieces that I created are white, pink, and like hot pink. So I wanted to make sure that there was like different colors all around. So that's really what you'll see whenever you see the final look of these. And like I said, you guys, it's just kind of playing with it and seeing where things fit and just making it look super, super cute. And so this is the end result. So this is the final floral arrangement. As you can see, none of the green is showing. We have covered it all up. For this particular design, I was really just going for shades of pink and white, and I feel like I achieved that here. I can't wait to put it on the table, and then all the other decor will be there, and it'll just pop. And again, this is just creating my own. I am not an expert florist, but again, I wanted to just save money and put money towards other places for this event, like the caterer. No, but seriously, had to put the money towards the caterer. And so I just felt like creating my own floral arrangement could help me do just that. And so yeah, that's what you see here. And so I'll probably just maneuver these because again, you can arrange these how you want. Have some layered up, I have some straight to the bottom. It's just really how you want to figure it out yourself. And that's really what floral is. It's a lot of playing around, moving things around, and making them fit and groove how you want it to go. And so the bundles that you can get, they aren't thin. I know a lot of times when people order floral online, they're nervous about like the quality of them being super thin and not looking full. But anytime I've ordered floral from Temu, Hobby Lobby, or Michaels, I haven't had any of those issues. And you get a good amount of floral. So like I showed you, this bouquet, this is one that I've cut. I've taken like 4 off of here, and it's still thick and full. And so I've got tons of floral left because I'm gonna make 8 of these. and you can just create whatever you want. And I just hope you feel empowered to create your own floral. You don't have to spend an arm and a leg on your own floral arrangements, but if you want to and you got it, go for it. But if you don't, this is the budget-friendly way. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Sometimes also, like, you just need, like, content days.